Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record government grants onto QuickBooks. If you've received grant funding and you want your bookkeeping to stay accurate and easy to understand. This is a simple way to enter it correctly in QuickBooks. The goal here is to make sure the money is recorded into the right bank account and assigned to the appropriate income category, so it shows clearly in your records and reports. Recording grants correctly is important because grant money can sometimes be handled differently from normal sales income. By setting it up properly from the beginning, you can make your bookkeeping cleaner, avoid confusion later, and quickly see how much funding your business or organization has received. To begin, go to the top left of QuickBooks and click the plus icon. This opens the Create menu, where you can enter different types of transactions. From there, select Bank Deposit. This is the option you'll use because you're recording money that has been received into your bank account. Using bank deposit is useful because the transaction will match the movement of money that actually happened in your bank account. This makes your records easier to compare with your bank statements during reconciliation. Once the bank deposit screen opens, look for the account drop-down here. Choose the bank account where the grant funds were actually received. This part is important because selecting the correct account helps your QuickBooks records match your real bank activity. For example, if the grant payment was deposited into your business checking account, make sure you select that exact account instead of another account. Choosing the wrong account can make your reports and balances appear inaccurate. Next, enter the date the money arrived. Use the actual date the grant was received in your bank account. Keeping the date accurate will help with reconciliation later, and will also make your financial reports more reliable. Accurate dates are especially helpful when reviewing monthly reports, tracking funding periods, or comparing your bookkeeping records with official bank transactions. After that, move down to the section called Add Funds to this deposit. This is where you'll enter the details of the grant. In the category column, select your grant income account. If you already have an account set up specifically for grant income, choose that. If not, you can create one in your chart of accounts so that grant funding is tracked separately from other types of income. Keeping grant income separate from other revenue can make reporting much easier. For example, if you receive multiple grants throughout the year, having a dedicated income category allows you to quickly review total grant funding without mixing it with customer payments or other business income. That can be especially helpful when reviewing reports or preparing information for your accountant or finance team. Then, enter the amount of the grant in the Amount field. In most cases, this is entered with 0 VAT, but always make sure that matches the treatment you use for your accounting records. The correct VAT treatment can depend on your specific situation and accounting setup, so it is always a good idea to follow the approach used in your existing records or confirm with your accountant if you're unsure. The key point is to enter the full amount received exactly as it hit your bank account. Once everything has been checked, click Save and Close. That will record the deposit in QuickBooks and complete the process. And that's it! After saving, it's always a good practice to review the transaction and make sure the bank account, date, category, and amount all match the grant information you received. By entering the grant as a bank deposit and assigning it to the correct income category, you'll keep your books organized and make it much easier to track funding properly. This simple setup can save you time later because your financial reports will be clearer, your accountant will have better information, and you'll have a better understanding of where your funding is coming from and how it is being recorded.